Industrial applications of ultrasound. Industrial applications. It is used in sonar devices to detect the presence of objects underwater. Hence it is used by submarines, scuba divers and fishing trawlers who use it to detect shoals of fish. It is used in security systems to detect even the slightest movement in a specified area. Ultrasound is used in industry to analyze the uniformity and purity of liquids and solids by means of acoustic microscopy. It is used in humidifiers in which ultrasound waves vibrate a metal sheet to spray the water as a fine mist. Ultrasonic welding is used to create heat to weld plastics. Ultrasonic cleaning is useful to clean delicate articles of jewelry, watches, and lenses. Ultrasound and distance measurement. Formula to calculate distance. Distance, meters, equals frequency, hc, asterisk, time, seconds. Frequency of the ultrasound is fixed by the user. Transmitting and received time will be noted to calculate the distance. Ultrasound welding. Constraints. Metal welding is the major problem in ultrasound welding. It generates lot of heat. Bonding of materials is low with compared to other welding methods. Ultrasound in cleaning. Advantages. Easy to use and interface with controllers. Not affected by color or transparency of objects. Can be used in dark environments. Low cost option. Not highly affected by dust, dirt, or high moisture environments. High accuracy and sensitivity. Disadvantages. Cannot work in a vacuum. Sensing accuracy affected by soft materials. Sensing accuracy affected by changes in temperature of 5-10 degrees or more. Have a limited detection range.